Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your PC uses UEFI or Legacy BIOS. So before creating a bootable USB with Rufus, it is important to know whether your PC uses UEFI or Legacy BIOS. Here is the quickest way to check. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog box and type ms info 32 and press enter. Now under system summary on the right side, look for BIOS mode. If it says UEFI, your PC is using UEFI firmware. If it says Legacy, your PC is using the older BIOS mode. So when creating a bootable USB with Rufus, if your BIOS mode is UEFI, choose the GPT partition scheme. If your BIOS mode is Legacy, choose the MBR partition scheme. This helps ensure your computer can boot from the USB correctly. You can also check from the command line using command prompt. First, open command prompt as administrator. Then type this command and press enter. Look for the port entry. If it shows Windows/system32/winload.exe, it's using Legacy BIOS. If you see here winload.efi, then your system is booting in UEFI mode. This method is useful if you are comfortable using command prompt. So that's all. Now you know whether your PC uses UEFI or Legacy BIOS. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching my video.